staying here, right? Why? Helpless.
It's a bird. I swear.
Mr. Helpless.
Oh.
Is it still in here?
Yes.
Here, you sit.
Oh, that's gonna work just great.
I believe it's Monday already.
Mom, it's already burnt.
You feel?
Oh, that's wonderful.
Morning.
You're